Say you're beginning a road trip and you hop in your car, pull it out of the garage, and immediately floor the gas pedal, turn the air conditioning on high, and turn the radio on full volume. You maintain this same intensity all the way to your final destination, where you abruptly stop, exit your car, slam the door, and walk away. As your abused car sits there steaming, crackling, and smelling of exhaust, your body is no different than that car. Before you subject it to physical exertion, whether lifting weights, running, bicycling, tennis, or golf, you must prepare your body for performance. And when you finish your physical exertion, you must give your body a gradual progression from movement back to sitting in your car, at your desk, or on your couch. When you warm up, several positive adaptations take place within your body to prepare you for exercise, including dilation of blood vessels. As your blood vessels dilate, or get bigger, your heart doesn't have to work so hard to deliver blood, and you have less risk of high blood pressure during exercise. Increased temperature. When you stretch a cold rubber band, it can snap. The same is true of muscle. By warming your muscle tissue, you increase muscle elasticity and range of motion, and also allow your muscle to contract more efficiently while reducing the risk of strains and pulls. In addition, oxygen in warm blood becomes more readily available to muscle tissue compared to oxygen in cold blood. Better cooling. In the same way that the air conditioning in your car works more efficiently when your car is warmed up, when you break a sweat during your pre-workout warm-up, you've successfully activated your body's built-in cooling mechanisms. Hormone production. As you warm up, your body begins producing hormones like epinephrine, endorphins, growth hormone, and testosterone, all of which increase the energy available for your workout. Mental focus. Clearing your head with a warm-up allows you to focus on more difficult or technical exercises or movements that will occur in your physical activity, and also gives you a chance to mentally review your upcoming workout, game, or match. As you progress to your cool down after the workout, your body is given a chance to slowly allow the heart rate to return to normal, and this is important since one of the times you're most susceptible to cardiovascular problems after a workout is when you plop onto the couch or into your car as blood pools in your heart and extremities. When you cool down, you give that blood a chance to recirculate throughout your body, which also reduces your risk of fainting and dizziness. You also significantly reduce soreness and stiffness with a good cool down. So here's how to warm up before a workout. I have 3 quick tips for you. Number 1, gradually increase intensity. If you're going to be going for a run, you can begin with a walk to a fast walk to a jog, finally to your run. If you're going to lift weights, do a warm-up set with a very light weight prior to doing your other sets. Number 2, include range of motion exercises. Interestingly, simply holding a stretch, which is also called static stretching, can actually reduce force production capabilities of a muscle and make you weaker. And research suggests that static stretching won't really reduce injury risk. Instead, after you've warmed the muscles with cardio movements, do dynamic stretching, which should include arm and leg swings, torso twists, jumping jacks, or fast running. Also include dynamic movement preparation, in which you perform cable or elastic band exercises that move your body through a full range of motion. Number 3, activate your brain. Especially if you're playing sports or doing more advanced exercises, your warm-up should include a balance component, such as standing on one leg while driving the knee of the opposite leg up to your chest, or closing your eyes and standing on one leg while you do your arm swings. 5 to 10 minutes is enough time for a good warm-up, although the more inactive you are before the workout, the longer the warm-up will need to be. Here's how to cool down after a workout with 3 more quick tips. Number 1, gradually decrease intensity. Your run could progress back to a jog, to a brisk walk, to a slow walk, or you could save a few of your easier exercises in the weight room for last. Number 2, static stretching is okay for the cool down. Holding stretches or doing a few yoga moves after a workout brings your body back into a relaxation phase, and the light movements can help with blood flow. Number 3, maximize your time. If you park your car far away in the gym parking lot, catch up on a couple phone calls with a headset, or save your gym social time for your cool-down activities, you're more likely to engage in a productive cool-down. A good cool-down should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, here is a sample warm-up and cool-down routine. For the warm-up, arrive at the gym and do a brisk walk for 2 minutes, then progress to a light jog, and finally a series of 3 30-second sprints followed by 30 jumping jacks. Next, lean against a wall and swing your legs 10 times forward and back, then side to side. Step away from the wall and perform 10 arm circles, then 10 arm swings back and forth. Finish with 10 lateral steps to reverse flies and 10 single leg row and throws in each direction. For the cool down, finish your workout by briskly walking for 2 minutes, then performing a lunging hip flexor stretch with your arms overhead, a seated hamstring stretch, and a series of shoulder stretches. But if you want your body to last a long time and be responsive, well-tuned, and always in good working order, then use the warm-up and cool down tips in this video.